Hello everyone. I thought I'd just come and show you the river. This is just a couple of days after I fished it and didn't have a bite. It's just kept coming up and up. It's now well over its bank. This is the top of the flood bank where I'm stood. Got some right pace on it, that. But I thought I'd show you it. Well, it was even a bit higher than this yesterday. It was, but that's got a right volume of water in it. If I show you, look, that's where I was fishing. It's just a few days ago, just down there on the bank, and just shows you how much water we've had. I'll walk along and show you the river. Part of my exercise. Quite mild today as well, and it's given it mild and tomorrow, but there ain't going to be many places you'll be able to fish. To show you these. That's where the normal bank is. I would say it's about at least 4 foot over them. Over that. Yeah, where you can see that's where the normal bank is. And so I say it's up at least 4 foot, and you can see the pace of it. Right, we'll carry on. I'll walk up to Laundry Bridge and show you that. Here we go. Just coming up there, look, to Laundry Bridge. Yeah. Just past Laundry Bridge, this is where the upper goes into Sinsel Drain, which It's a good job it does. Else I think Lincoln would be flooded if we didn't have central drain there. I know Lincoln did suffer from quite a bit of flooding before central drain was made. Like, you know, it just carries the excess water out, it does. And if I walk up to the bridge and I'll show you. That's a drain there, just pumping out water into the Witham as well. There we go. You can see the pace on the river with all that extra water. There you go. I'm going to show you over here. There we go, that's a right mess. We'll not be fishing that for a bit. If I show you that, that's just a little drain that comes into the Witham, and it's normally only about 1.5 feet deep, that is. Alright. Here we go. Alright. Sorry, mate. Yeah, look, got the sluice open to get rid of the water. I'll show you here. And there we go, this is the start of central drain from the upper Witham. And this, under normal conditions, it's only about 2 foot deep normally. This runs through Lincoln as well, down there past the football ground, and There we go. If I just walk the other way for a little bit. It has gone down a little bit from yesterday. It's probably gone down about 2 foot, to be honest, from yesterday. Look, there we go. Here we go. If I just show you that, look, you can see how wide this normally is. It's normally only about 1.5 foot, 2 foot deep. I would think you've probably had some fish move up here, I would have thought, just to go out the way. Okay, well, that stretch of the Witham that I've shown you, that's from Russell Street Bridge to Laundry Bridge. The next bridge down, if I show you down there, you can't quite see it, but the next bridge down is Dixon Street Bridge, right? And but now I'll overwalk that and I've got a fair head walk back to my car. Alright then, and I'll see you as soon as I'm able to go out and make a video. Take care, everybody. Bye for now, and thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves. Yeah. Okay, guys. Bye for now. I'll talk to you later as soon as I can go out, when these water levels have gone down a little bit. Alright then, bye for now. Take care, everyone. Bye. Bye.